this video is gonna help you not get scammed anymore, whether you are a male or female, so listen up. But really quick, a little break from our sponsor. Cue the ad. Ah yes, relaxation, wind noises and ASMR. Sleep and relaxation is super important, and Som Sleep helps you achieve those Z's. So order with the link in my bio and use code RUNNINGINTOSTYLE10 for 10% off. So you guys, look at how cozy Nash looks. You could be looking like this just with some Som Sleep. Okay, disclosure, I do not give it to your animals. He's just a really good actor. Okay, so do you guys know how to do an oil change? Probably, my guess if you're watching this is no. Oil changes range anywhere from $50 to $100. Anything more than that, you're probably getting scammed. And my friend got scammed. She paid $300. Well, it was also for it was something else too, but still it shouldn't be that much for an oil change. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is for you to do an oil change at home. All right, let's go. So here's a quick before of how your oil shouldn't look, and then here's a quick after of how it will look after this video. Make sure to wear something that you do not mind getting dirty, since oil is pretty messy. Here are some of the necessities you're going to need: rags, gloves, the 17mm wrench, and then also the oil filter wrench, and of course the new filter, which you can get any of these from Amazon or any auto parts store. Make sure the type of oil that you're going to be using matches with what it shows on inside the car. Okay, so to start off, make sure your safety brake is on and you pop open the front end. My car, by the way, is a Honda Accord, just in case you guys were curious. You're also going to put these blocks behind just to make sure the car doesn't move. This is the spots where you are going to put the jack in order to jack up the car. Here's the front one. Okay, so you put the jack right under those spots, and in order to lift it up, you turn the bar clockwise and slowly crank the car up. And then to bring it down, you turn it counterclockwise slowly, or else the car will just slam down. We are also going to put this safety jack just in case, since you will be under the car. Alright, next you're going to place the oil pan under in order to catch the oil, or else it's just going to get everywhere. Then you're going to get your 17mm wrench and loosen the bolts. Once you have it loosened, you can loosen the rest with your hand, but be careful because the oil will shoot out just like this did. After, you're going to wipe the bolt clean, so that way you can put it back nice and clean, and then you are going to lubricate the oil filter with a little bit of oil, of the new oil of course. Put the bolt back and then tighten it again with the wrench. You are then going to grab the oil filter wrench and basically do the same thing as you did earlier with the other, and then slowly take it out to make sure that the oil doesn't spill anywhere else, and you can actually recycle this at any automotive store. Once the oil is done draining, you can then recycle the used oil to any auto store such as O'Reilly's. And then it's now time to put in the new oil, so grab your funnel and fill up the oil to the second dot. I'll go ahead and outline it here so you can see. And this is the after and this is the before, so you can see a difference. A round of applause. I honestly hope that video was helpful for you guys. I encourage you to try to do it. Not like by yourself, I wouldn't say do it by yourself, but do it with somebody who knows how to do it so you can learn and then be more familiar with changing your own car oil. Again, prices these days. So as always, I'm gonna give you guys an ending quote, and my ending quote is: the future relies on what you do today. So if you want something, go out and get it today and start working towards it. So thank you guys again so much for watching this video. I hope you guys don't get scammed. That was the whole point of the video. So stay smart out there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.